If Chrome keeps popping up translation prompts and you want to stop them, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Translate in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix if you're tired of automatic translation pop-ups every time you visit a website, or if you just want a cleaner browsing experience. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Just make sure Chrome is fully open before moving to the next step. Now look toward the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click those three dots, then click Settings. This will open the main Chrome settings page, where you can control lots of browser features, including language and translation options. On the left-hand menu inside Settings, click Languages. This is the section that manages Chrome's language preferences and translation behavior. If you don't see it right away, just take a second to look through the sidebar because it's usually listed there clearly. Next, scroll down until you find the setting labeled Use Google Translate. This is the option that controls Chrome's automatic translation prompts. When this setting is enabled, Chrome may offer to translate web pages for you when it detects another language. To turn it off, simply switch Use Google Translate to Off. Once you do that, Chrome will stop automatically offering web page translations. That means no more translation pop-ups getting in your way while you browse. And that's it. You've now turned off Google Translate in Google Chrome. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you prefer browsing without translation prompts appearing all the time. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.